Thinking about buying a Toyota Hybrid but worried about maintenance costs, battery replacement, or whether it's actually better than a regular gas-powered Toyota? You're not alone. There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about hybrid vehicles, especially when it comes to long-term ownership costs and reliability. In this video, we're covering 5 important facts about Toyota hybrid vehicles versus non-hybrid Toyota models. We'll look at maintenance costs, fuel savings, reliability, battery life, and overall ownership experience in 2026. Some of these facts may surprise you, and one could save you thousands of dollars. Let's start with the most important one. Number 1. Hybrid maintenance costs are not what most people think. One of the biggest concerns people have when considering a Toyota hybrid is maintenance. Many assume that because a hybrid has a high-voltage battery, electric motors, and additional electronics, it must be much more expensive to own than a traditional gas-powered Toyota. But the reality is often the opposite. As of 2026, Toyota continues to offer one of the strongest hybrid warranty programs in the industry. In many markets, Toyota hybrid batteries are covered for up to 10 years or 150,000 miles, while other hybrid-related components receive extensive warranty protection as well. What about battery replacement? While replacing a hybrid battery can cost several $1,000s if it's ever needed outside warranty, most Toyota hybrid owners never face that expense. Many Prius, Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, and Highlander Hybrid models continue operating well beyond 200,000 miles on their original battery packs. In fact, hybrid systems can actually reduce wear on other components. Regenerative braking helps brake pads last longer, and the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, reducing overall engine stress during daily driving. That's why it's common to see Toyota hybrids used as taxis, rideshare vehicles, and high-mileage commuter cars. These vehicles are often driven hundreds of thousands of miles while maintaining excellent reliability. So despite the extra technology, a Toyota hybrid is not automatically more expensive to maintain. In many cases, long-term ownership costs can be surprisingly competitive with a non-hybrid Toyota. Before we move on to the next fact, let's talk about routine maintenance on a Toyota hybrid versus a non-hybrid Toyota. This is another area where many people expect hybrids to be more complicated, but that's generally not the case. When you look at Toyota's recommended maintenance schedules in 2026, most of the routine services are virtually identical. You're still dealing with regular oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, fluid checks, and other standard maintenance items. The main hybrid-specific service is the Hybrid Battery Cooling System filter. This filter helps keep the high-voltage battery at the proper operating temperature and should be inspected or replaced according to Toyota's maintenance recommendations. What's interesting is that Toyota hybrids actually eliminate several components found in many traditional gasoline vehicles. Most Toyota hybrid models do not use a conventional starter motor or alternator, and the hybrid system reduces reliance on certain belt-driven accessories. That means fewer mechanical parts that can wear out over time. There's also another benefit. Thanks to regenerative braking, brake components often last significantly longer because the electric motor helps slow the vehicle and recaptures energy that would otherwise be lost. So while a Toyota hybrid may seem more complex on paper, routine maintenance is remarkably straightforward. In some cases, owners may actually deal with fewer wear and tear items compared with a comparable non-hybrid Toyota. Now that we've covered maintenance costs and routine servicing, let's move on to the next fact. Number 2. You never have to plug it in. One of the biggest misconceptions about Toyota hybrids is that they need to be charged like an electric vehicle. But if you're driving a standard Toyota hybrid, such as a Camry Hybrid, Corolla Hybrid, Prius, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, Crown, or Grand Highlander Hybrid, there's no plugging in required. Toyota's hybrid system is designed to charge itself while you drive. The secret is something called regenerative braking. Every time you slow down or apply the brakes, the electric motor acts like a generator, capturing energy that would normally be wasted as heat. That energy is then sent back to the hybrid battery for future use. The system also works together with the gasoline engine to maintain the battery's charge level when needed. Everything happens automatically in the background without any input from the driver. This is one of the reasons Toyota hybrids are so popular. You get many of the fuel-saving benefits of electrification without having to install a home charger, search for charging stations, or change your daily routine. From the driver's seat, ownership is incredibly simple. Just fuel up, get in, and drive like you would any other Toyota. The hybrid system constantly manages the battery, electric motors, and gasoline engine for maximum efficiency. For most owners, that's one of the biggest advantages of choosing a Toyota hybrid over a fully electric vehicle or even a plug-in hybrid. Number 3. You will save fuel. This isn't marketing hype or a theory. It's one of the biggest reasons Toyota hybrids have become so popular worldwide. If you compare a Toyota hybrid model to its non-hybrid equivalent, the hybrid almost always delivers better fuel economy. Whether it's a RAV4 Hybrid versus a gas-only RAV4, a Corolla Hybrid versus a standard Corolla, or a Camry Hybrid versus the conventional model, the hybrid system is designed to reduce fuel consumption. The biggest savings usually occur during stop-and-go driving, where the electric motor can do more of the work. However, even on the highway, modern Toyota hybrid systems continue to provide fuel efficiency advantages over their non-hybrid counterparts. Of course, the exact amount you save depends on factors such as driving habits, traffic conditions, terrain, and climate. One thing many people don't realize is that colder temperatures can reduce hybrid efficiency. That's because hybrid batteries operate best within certain temperature ranges, and cold weather can temporarily reduce battery performance, causing the gasoline engine to run more frequently. Even so, Toyota hybrids typically maintain a fuel efficiency advantage throughout the year. For drivers who rack up a lot of miles, commute daily, or simply want fewer trips to the gas station, the fuel savings can add up significantly over the life of the vehicle. Simply put, if reducing fuel costs is a priority, choosing the hybrid version is usually the smarter long-term decision. Number 4. Expect to pay more upfront. One of the few downsides of choosing a Toyota hybrid is the higher purchase price. In 2026, hybrid models typically cost more than their gas-only counterparts, whether you're shopping new or used. Depending on the model, the price difference can range from a few $1,000s. For example, a RAV4 Hybrid, Camry Hybrid, or Highlander Hybrid will usually carry a premium over the equivalent non-hybrid version. However, that extra cost should be viewed alongside potential fuel savings, strong resale values, and lower long-term operating costs. If you're shopping on a tight budget, the non-hybrid model may be the more affordable entry point, but for many buyers, the higher upfront investment can pay off over years of ownership. Number 5. Hybrid demand is still higher. Toyota hybrids continue to be some of the most sought-after vehicles in 2026. As a result, finding the exact hybrid model, trim, or color you want may take longer than finding a comparable gas-only Toyota. While inventory has improved in recent years, popular models like the RAV4 Hybrid and Camry Hybrid can still be in high demand. The bottom line: Toyota hybrids offer lower fuel costs, proven reliability, and simple ownership. You may pay more upfront and wait a little longer, but for many buyers, the long-term benefits make it well worth it.